Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creators, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now listen, we are moving right along with this Summer in the City journal that I started. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. And I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. And I had to take a quick break, as you all may know, just to take care of my health and loss in the family. That being said, I'm back, and I was going to work on the folio next, but I think I need to kind of slide gently back into my creative flow, the mental space that I was in when I last worked on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the cover, okay? Not going to do a whole lot of, I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking because you only just need to see what I'm doing, and you may get some inspiration from it to, aid you in your creative process. But this is not, for all intents and purposes, this is really not like a tutorial. This is just a craft with me, if you will. So go ahead and grab your things. What I have did was, you've seen in the digital, one of the pages, which is right here. Let's see, where is it? I've probably printed it 2 or 3 times. And I have 2 signatures in here. I was only going to do 1, but I decided to go ahead and do 2. So this is the full sheet. All right. What I did was I went on ahead and shrunk it to, I think it's 50%, and I copied it on cardstock. And what I intend to do is just use that, use this. It's a regular, it's a devotional page. No, it's not. It's a page out of a book. That's the author is Max Lucado, but I've already read the book, so I'm just using the page. I'm not going to coffee diet or anything like that. Should I? Yeah, no, I'm not going to do it. Not even going to ink around the edges. I'm just going to do some tearing and place this here on the front and maybe decorate from there. And I'm going to slide this over this way because I have to cover this because it's on crooked. Not that I care. That's just how it was. So the rest of what you watch will be sped up and put to music so that you guys don't have to hear the background noise that goes on in my home. Yeah, I'm considerate like that, folks. I'm considerate. All right, so let me go find what else I'm going to be working on. Oh, the glue. I could use some scissors. Here we go. This even better. And I think that's it. So go ahead and grab your stuff and come on back. Now, also, if you're new to the channel and, junk journaling is something you enjoy, or if you like the theme of Summer in the City, stay tuned. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell, obviously, so that you don't miss any of the other videos that come up in this series. I'm enjoying this one. Anyways, guys, that's that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished the cover. As you guys saw, I used the Dollar Tree stamp to stamp out the word summer. I didn't want to put the word summer in the city because I'm not sure who's going to receive this journal, so I will not allow them the opportunity to do that. I added some dots there, you know, to complement the pink there. And little bit of book page in the back, and the printable from my digital kit. All right, stay tuned for the next video, in which I will be working on the inside. I think I'm gonna work on a folio with windows. Okay, something to go on the inside of here. Let me stop messing with it before something to go on the inside of here to house some ephemera. So, all right, thanks so much for watching, and until we're back together on Patreon and YouTube, my friends, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Hope you guys like that. Summer's almost over. Good gracious.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.